Was it even recording?
I think so.
No. Now it is. God, that much is easy.
Oh, I didn't know.
All that good footage here, and you didn't have it playing.
I'm not good with these things. Oh, that had to hurt. Oh, just do it until we're done.
Huh?
Do it until we're done, and oh, that one, she was right here. Oh, she caught it. She's like, oh, you ain't getting this sucker back.
Got a fish!
Oh, Rascal wants that. Oh my God, I missed that.
Come on.
Jesus Christ. Don't you grab that.
One thing about those cats, they really jump.
Oh. Oh. Oh, that was just rude.
That's smart.
She can jump pretty high.
You can.
She wants that thing bad. Oh, that was a good one.
I had one that used to jump from the floor right up on top of the clothesline.
Ooh.
Where you had the bar across the clotheslines. You jump right up on top of that.
We're gonna hissing. Oh, okay, what's happening?